That's the best turkey hunt I've ever been on in my life. That's a big one. What a buck. Man, what a beautiful deer. This episode is powered by Neighbors Express, with locations in Millen, Sylvania, Hawkinsville, and Dublin.
Huh? Oh yeah. Tell them what time it is.
Where they at, D?
We're headed there. What time we got? 1:45. Headed to Savannah.
Yeah, man, I got.
We need some sleep for long. Do what, baby?
I don't like to wear it.
You feeling good?
Well, we need to press.
All right, well, it is 3:35. Flight don't leave till around 5:40, so we got a little while to rest. But we just got here, so we'll fly from here to North Carolina, and then have a little layover there, and then we'll fly from there to Omaha, Nebraska, and then we'll be turkey hunting. So we'll check back in with y'all when we get on the plane. We just got to Omaha, waiting on David to bring the car around. We're gonna load up everything and then head to camp, and hopefully we can try to go roost turkey this afternoon when we get in. But anyway, we're here, so let's go hunt some turkeys.
Got us a brand new whip, baby. You like it?
I like it.
Oh yeah.
What you got going on there, Josh?
Man, we're just getting some batteries charged up and everything organized. We can maybe go bust us a turkey tomorrow. Or 2 or 3 or 4. That's some nice plug-ins right there. Watered out.
Antique model.
God. Alright, what's up guys? So going on little to no sleep. Went last night and we got in and did a bunch of scouting, found a few turkeys, found some sign. So it's kind of muggy outside. It rained a little bit last night, but we're gonna get after them. Maybe we can scratch up something this morning. But got David over here making him some coffee. Cameron's in the truck. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Got the Tacticams going. Got the remote control on my neck, so we're ready to go. We'll check back in with y'all when we get there.
Where they at, David? What's up, baby? Got us some coffee. Plenty of toilet paper.
Now we need some gobbling turkeys and we'll be ready.
Adam Casper, who I lived with.
We just had a big gobbler come over the hill and didn't like the decoys and eased off. Man, I hate when I do that. But he come hard, come on a string, just didn't cooperate. Got Diamond Dave right there. And that's all you can do is go find another one. But it's fun.
We saw him running over the hill.
They fighting. Huh? They're fighting.
Really?
When me and Cameron was walking back, we saw one running.
They're fighting over there. Purring.
Did you get that on video?
I don't know.
It looked like TK Mike, didn't it?
Your tactic cam should have got it. Was it on?
I don't know.
Did it vibrate when a while ago? It did? Okay.
Need another box of shells.
Well, we've had an eventful morning. We called in some this morning, and I thought they were going to come into the decoys because the way they were acting. And so I didn't draw back, so I was filming them. And they acted weird, so I told David to shoot, and he didn't want to ruin it because there was more turkeys coming, so he didn't shoot. We didn't even kill a turkey, so we was all mad, pissed off. So we circled back around on them. I don't know where these two turkeys come from.
I don't think it's the same.
No. These two turkeys come in from the left, and they wasn't even gonna come in. They were just walking red-headed, and I'm tired of calling. I called for 20 minutes to them, and I thought they were gonna come on in, but they didn't. And I thought that they might have killed both of them. They got one, but we're gonna
they were Jake's the whole time.
We're gonna go over the hill and see if we can't get back on these 6 gobblers that come in this morning. But anyway, all in all, pretty good day. So it's only the second day we're here, so we've got 5 more days.
I didn't find your blue paper towel.
This episode is brought to you by Reveal Cell Cameras. Bipolar broadheads, 3 choices, 1 devastating result. Expedition Archery. Alright, well, we just got set up. We just got set up in this guy's yard. This is a little different hunt than I'm used to doing. I'm gonna show y'all this house. Got Diamond Dave right here. Anyway, we're in Nebraska. We got this guy these turkeys roost in his yard right here. So they wild turkeys, so we're going after them. But anyway, it should be a fun afternoon. We just saw 3 gobblers and they coming this way, so maybe we'll have some action in a minute. Well, we had a big strutter come in with a bunch of jakes, and man, I'm pretty fired up. He didn't go 10 yards, piled up right there. I had to hold my bow for a while. I drew back and was about to pull the trigger, and he flogged my decoy, so I had to wait, and he was behind the decoy, and I feel like I held back for a minute, but I don't think it was that long. But man, that was a textbook hunt right there. That's awesome.
Good job, man. Oh, that was awesome.
Cameron taking pictures.
I have my camera in. I thought it was more than one guy.
We've been on gobblers for the last. I know this sounds crazy because we like killing turkeys, but I mean, we've only been out here 2 days and we've been on turkeys, and we had a incredible hunt this morning, and should have killed like 3 and didn't kill but 1, so we were all fussing about it. And you know, it was 3 of us. We couldn't get the right communication going. This afternoon, this guy was nice enough to let us come out here and hunt, and man, that was beautiful. That's why we turkey hunt right there. That was awesome.
That was perfect.
Man, I'll go out here and check him out.
Yeah.
Oh man, what a beautiful turkey. Man. What you think, Cam?
Awesome. Awesome.
We thought there was more.
Filming me?
Yeah.
Here's how I've been sitting all afternoon like this right here. They say you got to hide when you bow hunt. I didn't want to be my fault. That one Jake saw me. That mother took off around the corner of the house.
Hey,
At least the guy's dogwood tree trimmed.
hey, David said that turkey's in the front yard now. Oh, that was good.
Ho, one's coming up the driveway.
Hey man,
Oh,
that was beautiful right there, man.
People can say what they want. That's these western turkeys there. Yeah, they roost in this man's yard, but today I bet they was 3 miles from here.
I guess those all those jakes we thought. Was there 2 longbeards y'all thought out there?
I thought it was 2 big gobblers out there, but I don't know. There's only one gobbler and about 5 or 6 jakes.
Yeah, that's why I bow hunt right there, dude. That shook me up, man.
Oh yeah, my heart was going. Dum, 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 dum,
You was talking about draw, but when I seen him like sidestepping, I knew he was gonna come in and work. I was ready either way. I was hooked up.
When he went behind his tree, I was nervous. He was kind of angling away from decoys.
Mhm.
I thought he was gonna do another little walk around, but he did perfect.
Mm.
I want to go look at it.
That's pretty. No, man, I'm good. He got a big old beard on him.
Got a big old beard.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got shook up on that one. I just couldn't calm myself down, man. I was nervous the whole time. I guess it's because
he was nervous. He was talking. I said, "Shut up and get ready."
I mean, when you think about a turkey hunt, a good turkey hunt, that right there is, I mean, I don't know how everybody don't like turkey hunting after that right there. That was just, he worked in perfect. It was beautiful. I got to watch him strut around the decoy for a minute, and then I shot him, and we're going to be able to eat this turkey in the next couple days. Just
I wish I could
beautiful.
get that much blood on a deer sometimes when I shoot one.
Just a beautiful turkey, man. That's why you come to Nebraska. We're 2 good buddies, and we've had a time today getting on a bunch of turkeys, and they've been giving me crap about hunting with this bow because I should have been shooting this morning, and I was trying to video and get y'all some good stuff, and didn't get the shot off, and none of us got to shoot, and it was a bunch of miscommunication. But this afternoon made it all worth it. It was just a great hunt, and it was awesome to have my buddies with me to share it with. But I appreciate y'all watching. This episode is brought to you by Tacticam, Antler Extreme Supplemental Deer Feed, Element Outdoors, Buckmaker, your premium food plots. Roach Farm and Garden in Curry County.